Hey there, archery enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear. Today, we're taking a close look at the Toparchery Archery 56 Takedown Hunting Recurve Bow. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the construction of this bow. It features a high-strength casting aluminum riser, giving it durability and stability during your shooting sessions. The limbs are made of strong fiberglass with a maple core, providing the perfect balance of flexibility and power. Assembly is a breeze with this takedown bow. Simply attach the limbs to the riser, string it up using the provided 14-strand Dacron string, and you're ready to go. Plus, the package includes a bow case and an instruction book to guide you through the setup process. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned archer, this bow delivers excellent performance. It offers a smooth draw and consistent accuracy, making it ideal for target shooting or even hunting. One of the standout features of this bow is its versatility. You can easily adjust the draw weight by purchasing replacement limbs separately. This means you can fine-tune the bow to suit your preferences or even share it with friends and family. In summary, the Toparchery Archery 56 Takedown Hunting Recurve Bow is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile bow. With its sturdy construction, smooth performance, and customizable options, it's sure to enhance your archery experience. That wraps up our review for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique.